Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete your Snapchat account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat application. Once you open the application, make sure you log into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner. Then once you get to this page, tap on this cog icon at top right corner. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Once you get to the bottom, under account action section, you will see this option delete account. Tap on it. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your username or your email address, or you can also use your phone number to log in by tapping on this link. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the next button. Then you'll have to enter your password. Once you have entered the password, again click on the next button. Now, this is the last step. All you have to do is enter your password on this box once again. Once you do that, tap on this continue button. Then your account will be deactivated, and if you don't open your account in 30 days, your account will be deleted. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.